Let's update this front door using Beyond Paint. The first thing I did was clean the door with Zep degreaser and a cloth. This front door was previously painted, but since Beyond Paint has a primer, bonder, and sealer in its formula, there's no need to strip sand or prime before painting. And this is going to save me a lot of time. And now we're getting right into painting. I'm using my personal favorite Deep Blue, which can be found at your local Lowe's, along with 5 other designer colors and Beyond Paint's multi-purpose sealer. I'm going in with my 3/8 inch microfiber roller and paint tray from Beyond Paint's toolkit. As you can see, with just the first coat, the coverage is amazing and none of the previous paint is showing through. And I'm using my roller in any direction and angle. And because of Beyond Paint's self-leveling agent, it will always be a smooth and even finish. Once I'm done with the first coat, I'm letting it dry for 2 hours and for good measure adding a second coat. Then I'll be using my brush and touching up any details I missed around the door from the trim and handles. And just like that, we have a new front door within 4 hours using Beyond Paint's Deep Blue. And of course, with no stripping, sanding, or priming needed. And this is a great budget-friendly alternative to buying a new front door. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, shop Beyond Paint for your next DIY project, online and in stores, and now at your local Lowe's.